Welcome back to Sal's Garage. So today we're going to be trying out a product that was sent to me by a sponsor named Ancel, and this product is a smoke leak detector. So how it works is you can use it for checking out boost leaks or intake vacuum leaks, as well as evap leaks. So the nice thing about this product is that it's relatively inexpensive compared to going to a shop and getting a smoke test at a shop. So let's do a little unboxing here and see what comes with the box that they sent us. So we have the smoke machine itself. This is the Ancel S100 smoke machine leak detector. And all you need to do is just put some mineral oil in there, such as baby oil, up at the top right here, and you'll be able to connect some air through here, whether it's a shop air or compressed air. I don't have a compressed air machine, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get some air through here to push the air into the intake. We're gonna check for any intake leaks in our E93 M3. We might have a little bit of seepage through the glass, but we'll find out. It also comes with tubing for checking for leaks or smoke. Another hose here fitting. The power cable looks like it connects to the battery terminals. The evap equipment looks like it has a little hook here, so we might be able to hook this up to maybe up here or something, so it's kind of out of the way. We will also need mineral oil, or we're using baby oil because it has mineral oil in it, and some kind of way to put air into the system. So we're going to use this basketball pump because I don't have an air compressor, and see if this works. So just as an experiment, but hopefully it'll work. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and remove our intake here. So let's try a plastic bag, since a glove doesn't fit well underneath here. Seal it with a baggie. Alright, so we need to plug in the smoke end to this section right here. And then this valve right here will control how much of the mineral oil smoke comes through. So I'm going to just leave it shut for now. Use our power cable right here. Plug that in. And then let's go ahead and fill the machine up with some mineral oil too while we're at it. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the mineral oil into the system using our funnel. And then there's a little meter back here that you can see if we're about to hit max or not. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling air up. Do you see if there's...
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I think they're already on it.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this section next. This one will attach over here. And this piece attaches to my hand pump right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically put the needle in like so. And then I'm just going to seal this so there's no leaks. And I'll be able to pump air right in through this machine. Okay, so this is what I did. I connected the tube all the way to the hand pump, and we've got a little bit of air coming out of the end here. Thread this in. Let's pray this contraption works. Let's see. So I'm going to push the air through like so. And then in theory, smoke should be coming out of this. It might take a while because of the how long this tube is, but let's see. So here's power, and then connect this to a ground. We can try the nut over here as a ground. Let's try that one. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead, press the power button over here, and it's on. And as soon as it starts turning on, it says to wait a minute before the smoke starts to generate. Turn it counterclockwise to get the smoke to come through. As you can see right there, the liquid's starting to go. very slowly. I might have to pump the air here. Let's see. Oh, I can see it. Wow, it actually works. Surprisingly. So my weird contraption actually works. Okay. Smells like it smells like baby oil perfume. Now we need to go ahead and place this tubing into the hole that I made right here. And then we're going to zip tie this shut. Alright, so I went ahead and zip tied that, and I got my tube right in here. Now we're going to go ahead and start pumping some smoke into the intake system and check for any leaks. So I'm going to check for the joints over here, my joint over here to the sound tube, the glass plenum itself. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start pumping, and then we're going to take a look at the glass plenum and see the smoke coming in through the glass plenum.
Oh, I see a little bit. Yeah.
You can see the smoke. A better stream of air like a compressor, this would be a lot easier. But so far it looks pretty good. Don't see any smoke leaking out of the plenum itself. Wondering what these numbers are? These are the cylinder numbers. So cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the cylinder orders. But yeah, a lot of smoke inside the plenum, but nothing is leaking out, surprisingly. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my sound tube so you can see what a leak would look like. And take this out. And you can see the smoke is coming out of that hole. And once again, that's my DIY sound tube. So if you want to know how to make your engine louder inside the cabin, use this. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that back up. So that grommet is preventing leaks. See, as you can see now, no more smoke coming out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this machine off. There's no leaks in our intake, which is nice. But if you had any leaks, you definitely would address that, of course. Luckily for us, no leaks. So knock on metal.
No.
Let's turn this off by pressing the power button. And then go ahead and then unplug your power cable. And now you can see all the smoke that was trapped in there is coming out now. So closing thoughts on the Ancel smoke leak detector package. I really think it's a good product, and it's especially useful if you're trying to find a boost leak, a vacuum leak, evaporator leak, or exhaust leak. You just need to include, aside from what is included in the box, you need an air compressor or some way to push the smoke through, along with some mineral oil or baby oil, so that you can generate the smoke. But aside from that, everything else is in here that is what you need. It's a great product, it's affordable, and you can use my link down below for a discount on the product itself. Thank you again, Ancel, for sending me this product and sponsoring this video. Appreciate you guys very much, and also I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'm glad to help you guys out. And any other sponsors, please send me free stuff. I'll review it. And maybe give you guys a good review if I like it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.